Here's FM back again with another video. Today we'll be trying some silly silly stuff basically. What I'm gonna be doing is what I'm gonna be trying is just for experiment only. I'm gonna try to run XMAXX tires on Summit. Now I wouldn't recommend this because it's just gonna damage your diff. So I did print out a adapter. I think it's from 17mm to 23mm. I print this on PLA as well, so it might not last. It might just shatter in the first run. I should have printed on PETG, but yeah, I'm just too lazy to change it. So the idea is basically this is supposed to fit in there. It may need a bit of cleanup, and that is a 17mm. So we'll see how it goes. It may not be a long run. So there you go. I put in all the adapter on XMAXX tires. So that's the difference between the normal 1.8 tires and the XMAXX tires. I think this will be fun. So there you go, all 4 tires done. I think it looks really good actually. Ready? 1, 2, 3, go. Perfect. There you go. Good job.
Why can Daddy jump it? Oh, you can charge it back up. See? Yeah. Almost. I can't see a thing.
The tires is just too heavy for Summit. I even think that the original Summit tires is still too heavy for Summit. That's why I use Lewis tires. And yeah, there's quite a few things broken there. As you can see, all the links, this is a typical Summit problem. All the links join. But you can see in there, even the drive shaft is broken because it cannot handle the big tires. Yep. And this is a 12 years old Summit. I do believe that the plastic is start getting brittle as well. So yeah, thank you for watching.